Kilala niyo ba si Soo Kwang? Siya yung leader ng B2B, and aside from that, he is also a living meme. Parang siya yung meme king sa K-pop industry. Kasi siya yung may pakana ng sorry chila hajima ko paksujo, tapos give up. And recently may bago na naman siyang entry. Sa IG live niya, sabi niya, our life is no correct. Kung hindi mo siya naiintindihan, kung magbe-base ka lang dun sa sinabi niyang our life is no correct, pero nakakatawa siya. Actually kasi nakakatawa naman talaga, totoo naman. Minsan yung buhay natin talagang mapapakamot ka na lang sa ulo. Wi-Fi mo, minsan, no correct. Yung diet mo madalas, fail, no correct. Walang nangyari. Pati love life, just ko, no correct talaga, like 0 out of 10. Pero wait lang, kung iisipin natin, parang ang lalim pala talaga nung sinabi niya na our life is no correct, no? Ang marirealize mo na life is not really 100% correct. Hindi siya parang math problems na palaging merong exact answer. Marami siyang bakubakong daan and hindi siya palaging perfect timing. Maraming beses na mali, minsan sablay, minsan matsatsambahan mo, madalas magulo. Pero come to think of it, yung mga ganong part ng buhay natin, that's what makes life. Parang kasi yung mga struggles, yung mga hurdles na pinagdadaanan natin, yun yung mga nagiging charm niya. Kasi kung perfect yung lahat, ang boring niya.
At kung perfect yung buhay mo, ibig sabihin anak ka ng corrupt official.
So kung next time kapag feeling mo parang sumasablay ka, na parang palpak ka, channel your inner Soo Kwang and say, our life is no correct. Try to embrace your imperfect life because that's what makes us unique and entertaining. Yun lang. Never give up.